Tell me about. Huh? Tell me about. Huh? Did you just?
Sometimes when I say something, I act like cocaine on his back. I like to say, of course, you do the entire. I am from my buddy Goose Creek, Texas. What's that? I'm from Goose Creek, Texas. I dropped some cocaine on his back.
Oh, it's chili.
Chili. He's a dog, so I call him Chili Dog. And I dropped some cocaine on his back. Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili, sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
Chili.
Right, my dog Chili Dog. He's a
So
dog, so I call him Chili Dog.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you
cocaine on his
sniffing
back.
cocaine